Hey everyone, welcome back to Sibrof. In this video, I will be explaining that how to recover deleted chats on Instagram, how you can recover your Instagram deleted chat which has been deleted accidentally or you have intentionally deleted it but now you need it. So you will be getting the list of all the chats from where you can just restore them, you can view them. Now I won't be using any kind of third-party application because that's really not safe, and I tried to find out few application but still I was not comfortable with those application and neither I would share with you. Okay, so the best method is that you should use the Instagram feature only to download your backup and just check all your deleted messages. Okay, this is the legit way, this is the proper way instructed by me and many other people. So what you have to do on your Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the very right hand bottom, then tap on the three line that is on the very right hand top. Here you have to tap on your activity, then scroll down to the bottom and you will find download your information. So tap on it, and now here it will say get a copy of what you have shared on Instagram. We will email you a link to a file with your photos, comment, profile information and more. So there are many other options that you can view from here. So by default it will take your email ID, but if you want to change it you can change it, and then you have to tap on request download. Then you need to enter your password, then tap on next, and it says download request. We have started creating a file of things you have shared on Instagram and will email a link to this email account. It may take up to 14 days. Now this 14 days is the maximum duration of time because there are few people who have tons of data, and in that case the maximum time can be 14 days. But for a regular user, for a normal user like us, it will take hardly 1 or 2 days. I requested couple of time and most of the time I receive within 24 hours. Okay, so once you are done, you just need to wait, check your email, that if you get any email from Instagram, I will show you that I already did that and I got this email that here is the file you requested with the information about your account. So here you have to tap on download information, but before that you just need a zip file extractor to open this kind of file, because the file that you will be downloading here will be in a zip folder. Okay, so what you have to do, you can go to Play Store. In case if you do not have, you can type zip in your Play Store. I will also leave the link in the description. This is a free unzip for extractor zip opener, so you can download it, and once you download it, go back, then click on tap on download information, and it says complete action using Chrome, so you can tap on Chrome. Again, this will ask you for your password. Enter your Instagram password and it will be started. So you can see it give you a message, your Instagram information. Here's the file you requested with the information about your account name. So you have to tap on download information and wait until the file is downloaded. Now the file is downloaded. So I will look for my application to just view this. So I will just open the zip folder, and from here I will see the download section where I have just got my Instagram downloaded folder. It may give you some kind of ads, but that's okay. It's a free version. You can just uninstall it once you are done. You can close all these sections. Then give the permission. Now go back. And here you can just view the file. You can see the recent file. I've got this my zip file here. So you need to tap on it. Then tap on extract. And this will start extracting depending that how much data you have. So once it's been done, just wait. And then finally it's been done. So now you have to tap on this folder. And here you will see all the information of your Instagram that has been restored. So you have to scroll down to messages, tap on messages, then tap on inbox, and you will see the name of all the Instagram friends, people connected on Instagram, and you can view their messages. So for example, let's say that I want to view the messages for this user. So I will tap on it, then again tap on it. And let's say I want to open in Chrome. So I will open in Chrome, and you can see that all the messages have been restored here. Okay. I can view the messages. Similarly, I can go back and view the messages of any other users. All right. So this is the best, safe, and the easiest way to recover your deleted chats on Instagram. Again, don't go with any third-party application, because your information, they will ask you to sign up with Instagram, and there is a chances of getting hacked. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully this information will help you to recover your Instagram deleted chat. And if this worked for you, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and still if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.